The founder and chairman governing council of Mariam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Mount Kano, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has donated the sum of $2 million in support of the activities of the International Federation of Women Lawyers FIDA, Nigeria, Kano State Branch. Professor Gwarzo announced the donation when the chairperson of the state branch of the Women Lawyers Association, Barrister Bilkisu Ibrahim Suleiman, paid an advocacy visit to the founder of the university, Professor Gwarzo, in his office. He expressed hope that the donation would not only promote social justice, but would go a long way in supporting human rights protection for the less privileged in the society. We hope the gesture will support your humanitarian services and facilitate access to justice for people that cannot access justice due to poverty and other factors. According to him, his foundation, popularly known as the AAG Foundation, has been working on justice, especially in creating awareness and supporting cases for the less privileged. He appreciated the women lawyers for the visit and praised members of the organization for their commitment to supporting the poor and vulnerable to have access to justice and fair hearings. Your kind of organization will honestly have to work hard. As a former president of the Protection of Journalists' Rights in Africa, I know how challenging access to justice was and is up to now. Thus, it is a task that needs dedication, and we are ready to support it. My foundation will ensure participating and providing technical support in order to help poor and vulnerable people have access to justice, Professor Gwarzo added. He further emphasized that it is time for all of us to stand against how some people are abusing the poor just because they know they cannot have access to justice. Therefore, since we are all working for the society, my foundation will continue providing support in collaboration with you to provide such access to the undersupported. But we must continue and never get tired of working to ensure justice is given to whom is due. You also have to make your work more visible through all platforms on social media handles by showcasing all your activities. Such could be an opportunity for donors and supporters across the globe to identify you and work together to create more opportunities for women and girls in our society. During the interactive meeting, the chairperson highlighted the purpose of their visit, which included congratulating the founder for single-handedly establishing 4 international universities in Africa within 10 years and updating him with the activities of Kano State FIDA for partnership and collaborations. The FIDA chairperson commended Professor Gwarzo for establishing the international university in Niger Republic, Kano, Kaduna, and Abuja, which she said is a giant stride towards the development of Africa. According to her, the most recurring issues the association battles with borders on rape cases, abandonment of family by husbands, and other forms of gender-based violence. She noted that FIDA has been creating opportunity awareness through media programs in addition to providing free legal services for the poor and the vulnerable in the society. Among the top management staff of the university that were present during the advocacy visit include the president of Maun, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, and the AAG Foundation Director Dr. Musa Abdullahi Sufi.